Trey made this beat. DJ CCB.
Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right. Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right. Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right. Long race, run into the end. God's face, you'll see he's coming back again. Black and white, all touches, all the same sin. Last night, same fight, the past, now and then. People break into buildings, police hands to the ceiling. Do you believe in Christ? And then they kill him. He paid it with his life, no billing. He paid it with his life. He's a real one. The devil don't want you to know who you are. You're so strong, you came this far. Get rid of the pain, the hurt and the scars. You're kings and queens, so play your part. Your light shines so bright in the dark. Head to the sky, cause you're a star. Day and night, this a spiritual war. Day and night, this a spiritual war. Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right. Been running for so long, need a change that can make it right.
In the morning on this one, in the evening too. Here we go. I was running for so long, truly out of breath, looking for a home, but nobody could help. Started walking with God, he truly ordered my steps. Now I'm running for Jesus and I'm truly harder to catch. I exercise my demons and that is not a stretch. So when I'm in the AM, I simply gotta flex. Or if it's in the PM when I meditate the text, I'm a preacher to the world just to elevate the rest. Look, I'm out of my comfort zone, using the devil like a bag I gotta be punching on. My Jesus is the bread of life I gotta be munching on. Cause life without him was depressing like a country song. I need you to come along, spend day and night in your presence so I can vibe with you. Cause I ain't found nobody greater like LaShawn Mitchell. You dealt my hand and I play it right. I only think of you on 2 occasions, that's day and night. Mike and Mike.
Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right. Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right. Day and night, been running for so long, need a change that can make it right.